Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our kitchen. So today, what are you making, chef?
I'm making smoked Arizona chicken with an avocado chowder.
Ooh, cool. I'm excited to try this meal. And we've been just sitting back and enjoying the food. Who doesn't want a chef around? So I'll leave the kitchen to you.
Okay. Chicken breast soaking in some salt and sugar with cold water for 30 minutes. Patted them dry. And what I'm gonna do now is smoke them for 15 minutes in my little stovetop smoker. And then from there, I'm gonna start building up my soup base, which is garlic, onion, carrots, celery, chopped tomatoes, red bell pepper, some ancho chili here. We have some green chilies. I have some red onion. I have some cumin, and I also have some cilantro chopped up in there. These here are my tortilla shells with julienne up, which I'm going to fry, and that's going to go on top of that. And then what's going to end it is a slice of pepper jack cheese. We're going to throw that in the oven in bowls. I'm going to chop this up, small dice, and that's also going to garnish the soup before we put it in the oven.
So is it like a Mexican meal?
Yeah, I would call it Mexican, but it's more like American inspired. What they would eat down in the Southwest, which is Arizona.
All right.
Okay.
Let's get cooking.
Right.
That looks good.
That's
Ooh, what is that?
Yeah, that's what chips.
That is strong.
Yeah, they're hickory chips. Sorry. Garlic and the celery and the carrots until the onions are translucent, which means you can see through them a little bit. And then I'm gonna start building stuff up.
We're ready for this meal. It's Friday night.
My carrots. Do this until the onions are translucent. And I'm gonna add my garlic too. But I'm gonna add the garlic like on the last thing. I'm going to add my red peppers, my green chilies, stir this up.
That smells so good.
And I'm going to let this kind of still simmer a little bit. Then I'm going to add my water. 4 quarts of water to this. So I'm going to do that now. Remember, this is a chowder, so it's got to be hearty. Let's turn the fire up just a little bit so we can get it to boil. My chicken that's been infused with smoke is not done yet, but the smoke flavor is there. So I'm gonna cut this up into small to medium dice, and then I'm gonna add that to the stock that we're doing with the vegetables.
I actually thought you were cooking it in it.
Oh, no. If I was, it would have to stay there for quite a while.
Yeah, I was like, why is it so raw? So it's just the infused flavor.
Yeah, just to infuse the smoke flavor.
And what wood chip was that?
That was hickory. Not to be confused with hickory dickory dock. Are you familiar with that rhyme, little girl? Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Never understood that rhyme at all. Hi.
She just woke up.
You gotta teach her the Queen's wave, you know? We're gonna probably simmer this for about 15 minutes or so, at least until the chicken is done. And then after that, I'm gonna ladle it in bowls. We're gonna let this cook and simmer for about 15 minutes or until the chicken is done. And then I'm going to add my garnishes, which is my ancho chili, my avocado, my red green onions, and top that off. And also my fried tortillas.
Do you want food? Do you want food? She looks really sleepy.
Yeah.
Do you want to sleep a bit more? Oh.
Hey, baby. Daddy's about to play with some hot oil. I'm doing the avocado. Go this way, that way. She's backing up for a minute.
This is my favorite.
Oh, really? Avocado?
You don't know that?
Yeah, I know it. I call it pear, right?
Yeah, it's called a pear. This is also delicious with bread and a pinch of salt.
Oh, yeah.
Add some more to mine because I love avocado.
Brown. Up our julienne tortilla chips. See, the chicken is done. Do a taste test before we start bowling it up there. Make sure the taste is there. Thank you. Thank you very much. You are a good wife. You're useful. Look.
What?
Elijah's cartoon. I don't want to mention the name. You're a useful engine. What I'm going to do is start putting vegetables in each bowl. There's 5 of us here. I wanted to put 6, but I didn't have enough room. Vegetables in there first. Then I'm going to come back and put the juices in there. The last seasoning, there's 3 of them. Or the last garnishes, I should say. Man, I wish you could smell this.
It smells so good.
So make sure everybody has chicken in there. We're going to have a ancho chili on it. We don't need to use a lot of this. Just a little. Take our red onions. Kind of sprinkle those in there. We're going to take our tortilla chips, which we fried up. Kind of sparsely put that on top of there. I like that sound because that means that I fried them properly. They're crunchy. I see my son waiting in the background over there. He's like, wow, I can't wait to just try some of the chips. Oh no, this looks good, man. Add some pepper jack cheese. I place this in the oven until the cheese melts. I'm going to sprinkle some chopped cilantro. These layers of flavor, man, it's going to just bust in somebody's mouth. Now I'm going to ladle a little bit of the juice on each one of them. Just one ladle is good enough. Doesn't matter if the cilantro is coming off of it because it's still all part of the flavor profile.
Wow. This smells so good. Oh my gosh. I'm just excited to try this meal.
325-degree oven. until the cheese melts.
Oops, my beard.
So watch that in. It's about 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese melts. It depends on what kind of oven you got. So now I just took these out the oven, and as you can see, the cheese is melted. And it is time to chow down with this smoked Arizona chicken with an avocado chowder. Here's my Arizona smoked chicken with avocado chowder.
This is looking so good.
You
Which
think
one
so?
is mine?
I don't know, but this one's mine.
This is looking so delicious.
Yeah,
Oh
I'm
my
ready to
gosh.
taste it, man.
Yes. Are you ready?
Yes, let's go eat.
Yeah. To, as Dan would say, chow down.
Yeah, chow
We're going
down.
to chow down, and I like the word chop. They said, is it that what it means in Africa? Chop?
I don't know. I've only been to Africa. We never talked about food.
Yeah, I thought I heard Miriam said chop
Huh.
when they mentioned food. Is that? I'm
I'm
trying to
not
remember
sure.
if it was food, but anyway, we're going to chow down, chop, nyam.
I know that one.
In Jamaica we say nyam, the food. But anyway, we're going to enjoy our food, and I hope you enjoy this delicious food.